Hi, my name is Sally Gimmon, and I am the owner of the TrustIsYou.com in a brand new podcast called Stop Paying Capital Gains. The reason I want to talk about this is because so many people don't believe about the Spendthrift Trust. Now, it does come from England back when King Henry VIII started the Church of England. It is contract law, and it's in the United States. It's legal, it's patented, and it is in the IRS tax code. Just so you can look this up, if you're curious, it is 643B like boy, 643B like boy. Why do you want to know about this? This is the exact same trust the Rockefellers and US presidents used to save in three separate ways. Number one, federal taxes. Everybody wants to save federal taxes. Number two, keep your information completely private. And number three, keep you from paying any judgments if you get sued. I have had now 4 different clients who have saved lots of money doing it this way. Now, with the Spendthrift Trust, there are 2 different trusts that you can save thousands of dollars with. The first trust is a business trust. That is for anyone with 1099 income. You might be a real estate agent. You might be an affiliate marketer. You might have a pizzeria. You might be, I do online sales, education online sales. All of this goes through my business trust. When you have the business spendthrift trust, you will save up to 70% of your federal taxes. Who doesn't want to save federal taxes? I don't know. That's why I'm talking about this. Now, the beneficial spendthrift trust is for investors. I don't care if you're a real estate investor, crypto miner, or if you're in the stock market. You're going to save taxes year after year after year after year. Just like the business spendthrift trust says 1099 income earners year after year after year after year. So with the beneficial spendthrift trust, you will no longer pay capital gains, interest income, dividend income, rental rolls, or royalties. And I'm going to give you a little bit of history on both things so you can understand this. Capital gains, short term, is a year or less. So all you fix and flippers, all you wholesalers, or what I deal with is auction houses. How I got involved with the Spendthrift Trust, true story, back in July of 2020, I took down the property of the week. It was a $20,000 bank-owned reverse mortgage house in Rocky Mount, North Carolina. Cool thing about it, paid $20,000 for it. When COVID restrictions got lifted, it was going to go for $50,000. Yay, Sally, I'm going to save $30,000. It took 13 months because of COVID, and I started researching the Rockefellers, what they call the office. A gentleman in my real estate group, Garrett Gunderson, wrote a book called What the Rockefellers Do. I had read it before I joined my group, and when I started the trust, I became a client. I took the from my LLC, I did a bill of sale to me personally, and then a second bill of sale from me personally to the trust, and had to send it to the attorneys in Raleigh, North Carolina. At the time, I was living in Phoenix. When the house finally did go to auction and sold for over $64,000, I saved over $10,100 on the first transaction. Oh yeah, I've done a lot more transactions than that. That's short-term capital gains. Long-term capital gains is anything more than a year, and it can be between 15% to 20%. And just for an example, I just helped the gentleman. He's 69, his wife's 68. They sold their 42-year-old family restaurant back on March 15th. Because they sold it for $3 million, all the equipment, all the food, all the recipes, and everything else in it. And he started the trust because his 28-year-old son had seen a TikTok video. They either saved $460,000, $460,000, or $600,000. Again, 6-figure savings because they had the Spendthrift Trust. Any business that is sold in the United States gets charged 15% or 20% long-term capital gains. This is why I'm trying to work with business brokers. Now, interest income. I don't care if you're a passive investor, if you're a Forex investor, if you do Burr strategy, or I do notes where I am considered the mortgage on the house and people pay me their mortgage. That's all interest income. Many different examples there of people saving money. Dividend income. I don't care if you have dividend stocks, if you're doing stock options, if you're doing options trading, futures trading, or day trading. One of my clients is saving $60,000 every quarter. Wow, 6 times 4, $240,000 a year. Congratulations to him. Rental income. If you have short-term rentals like Airbnb or Vrbo or many doors, you're going to save that rental income. Now, just so you understand, interest income, dividend income, and rental income is taxed 7 different layers. I can't tell you what your personal layer is, but between 10% to 37%. And then this is going to save you that amount of money year after year after year after year, saving some of my clients quite a bit of money. One of my clients, who's 27 years old, is saving almost $29,000 a year in rental income. Congratulations to him. And the fifth category is royalties. I don't care if you're an author, if you're a songwriter, if you're an actor, or if you have oil wells, or if you're in the NFT world. One of my clients, true story, she is doing 1 of 100 series pictures on the Meta universe. She's selling them for $1,000 a piece because she's a good artist, and she is saving quite a bit of money doing it that way. I have to go back to my notes just because I should have had that page open. I want to say she's saving over $23,000 for that first series. So what she's doing now, she's doing 7 100 series. Why not? If people want to buy her artwork, why not make money and save taxes with that? Again, this is not illegal. It is patented. It is in the IRS tax code. If you would like to set an appointment with me, please go to thetrustisyou.com or listen to my podcast, Stop Paying Capital Gains Now. I want to help as many people save as much money as possible, because if the rich people can do this, why can't everyday people like you and I do it too? Take care. Have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.